Hi guys, hope you're all well. Welcome back to It's Cooking Good. Today I'm cooking a request. It's a request from my son. He absolutely loves pasta and this is by far his favourite pasta dish that I make. And it is my chicken tagliatelle Alfredo. If you're someone that likes creamy pasta dishes, this is definitely for you. And the great thing is, very few ingredients and it's ready in under 15 minutes. So let's have a look at what you're going to need. Okay, so here I've got 2 chicken breasts. All I've done with them is I've butterflied them. They were very large chicken breasts actually, but again, cater for as many people as you're feeding. Tonight, this is going to feed 4 of us. Because they're big, I've only done 2. I've just lightly seasoned them in some cracked black pepper and salt, some fresh chopped parsley, 2 large cloves of garlic sliced, a good couple of knobs of butter. Here is our tagliatelle. They come in, or the one that I buy anyway, comes in these little nests. So I tend to work on 2 per person plus 1 for the pot per person because they're not very big. 300 millilitres of double cream, a cup and a half of milk, any milk that you've got, and here a good cup of parmesan cheese. Don't have parmesan, you can use pecorino cheese, would work absolutely fine. And that is it guys, that is all you're going to need for this recipe. So we're going to start by griddling the chicken. So I'll see you over at the hob and let's get cooking. Okay, so our griddle pan is on a medium-high heat. Just going to place those chicken breasts in there, like so. And we just want to season the other side with a bit of salt and pepper. All I've done with the griddle pan is just lightly brushed it with some oil. You could put the oil on the chicken breast, absolutely fine. I just prefer to do it this way. We're going to cook these now for 3 minutes per side. So I'll see you when we're ready to flip them over. Okay guys, they've had their 3 minutes. Let's flip it over. Another 3 minutes on the other side. Okay guys, they have had their time. I'll see you over the bench. We're just going to cut these up and then we can move on to the next stage. Okay, so those chicken breasts have just come out of the griddle as you saw. All I'm going to do, these actually don't need to be cooked fully at this stage. I'm just going to chop them up into rough pieces or slices, however you like it. Get them into nice sort of strips like that, perfect. Because these are going to go back into the final dish in a second. Okay, so we are pretty much there. That is it. So I shall see you back over at the hob. Let's assemble the final dish. I cannot wait to try this one, and I'm sure my son can't either. I'll see you over there. Okay guys, so in the pan, I've just basically put our butter and our garlic, and just want to, you don't want it on a high heat, it needs to be on a low heat. You don't want to burn that garlic and you also don't want to burn that butter. Now in with our chicken that we've just diced up and any of the excess juices that have come out of that, and just stir it through. That's what I'm saying, if it's not quite fully cooked it doesn't matter, it's going to be cooking in here. Just give it a good coating. Oh, a little bit of garlic there. That's it. Perfect. Okay, and to that we're going to add our milk. Put it all in. You want plenty of sauce with this. That's what this dish is about. And then your double cream. The whole lot in. That was 300 mils. And just give it a stir around. And I'm now going to turn up the temperature. And we're going to leave that to simmer for about 8 minutes. Okay, so that's actually been 6 minutes and it looks good to me. So we're going to put our pasta in, which I cooked per pack instructions, minus a couple of minutes. As you know, I like it al dente. Let's get rid of the pan and just toss that in to your sauce. Just get a spoon here as well, just to make sure it's nicely covered. Obviously this pasta is going to cook a touch more in this sauce. Oh wow, it looks amazing, it smells amazing. Okay, to that I'm going to add some of our parsley and then all of our cheese. So that's all of that parmesan there, which was a cup. And again, we're just going to give this all a good stir around, just to incorporate it nicely. Oh, lost a bit there. That's it. And we're going to cook this now for about a further 2 minutes and we will be done. So I will see you over at the bench. We will give it a try and see how we've done. See you there. Okay, the finished product is right here. Camera lady, let's pan in, let's have a look. I put a little bit of parsley, a little bit more over the top. Smells amazing, smells really cheesy, which is exactly what I like. Let's give it a go. I want to get some of that pasta. I'm just taking it straight out of the pot here. I'm not going to mess about. Bit of that chicken. So good. Nice and cheesy. A little bit more, just to make sure the pasta is cooked perfectly. You definitely want to do that al dente. That chicken is absolutely gorgeous. Griddling it first and then into the milk and the cream. Just amazing. And I'm getting the garlic coming through, just a hint of it. It's not overpowering, it's absolutely lovely. Guys, this would be a great one. If you got leftover turkey after Christmas Day, use that in here. Don't need to use chicken, you could just use leftover turkey or chicken. It'd be a great recipe to do. Absolutely phenomenal. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Really do appreciate you watching through to the very, very end. If you like the content, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. If you've got a recipe you want me to cook, send it through to me. I'll put all of the details of this recipe down below in the details as always. And all that's left for me to say is, it's cooking good.